Hey, how's it going? Hope your day's going well. It's quite warm here in eastern Pennsylvania, as well as throughout other parts of the PJM area, so to speak. I'm just looking something up because I want to get this 100% correct. I don't want to go based on memory. Okay, here we go. So today, of course, is Friday, July 28th, 2023. It's a little bit earlier than usual. I'm exhausted. I need to get some rest. But this morning, something really important happened. So at about 8 o'clock in the morning, Stronghold Digital Mining put out a press release. This is a brand new press release, not connected to the news yesterday. And we basically set our second quarter 2023 earnings conference call for next Thursday. Let's see. Would it be next Thursday? Actually, I think it's. I am sleepy. I suspect it's next Thursday. Gosh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, Thursday, August 10th at 11 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time. So let's see. Today's July 28th. You know what? It's not next week, actually. It's the week after. Because, yeah. Okay, right. Okay, sorry about that. Gosh, a lack of sleep will really kind of throw a monkey wrench into one's cognitive abilities, so it seems. It appears as if though the entire, um, well, it appears as if though the entire publicly traded Bitcoin mining complex is doing pretty well. It's around 1:45 in the afternoon. At the present moment, we seem to be down about 1% or so, but let's see if we could finish the day up above $9 a share. I think that would be a great setup for the week ahead. But I'll tell you what, that August 10th conference call that's scheduled, that's a really big deal because in the morning, prior to the market opening, there's going to be a press release put out with our numbers, right? Like, how did we do during Q2 2023? And that's a really big deal, okay? It's a really, really big deal. And I'm not going to get into any specific detail in this particular video. I'm not even sure I could if I wanted to. But I do want to talk at length as we, kind of get closer and closer to August 10th. I do want to talk about what I suspect, might be behind the curtain. And I'm really curious to, of course, hear what you think might be behind the curtain as it relates to our results. Hey, let's take a look at our 24-hour averages from yesterday into around this time today. Let's put up the slide, please. Okay, so PJM Penelec, $41.75. PJM PP&L, $39.81. Bitcoin priced in dollars per megawatt hour. That's a really, really important number for us, as I've said before. $89.42. That's really good. And the 24-hour average spot price of the 24-hour spot price of Bitcoin has been 29,232. So that's pretty much in keeping with where it's been. And the network hash rate was at 363. Back to me, please. So listen, we had, I think, all in all, a pretty good week. I know the trading session isn't over, but I'm just really, really excited about what we announced yesterday. To me, that's a game-changing announcement. I'll have more to say about what I suspect might be behind the curtain as it relates to August 10th. But between now and then, I don't know that we're necessarily going to see any major additional news announcements. I mean, yesterday's was a really, really big deal, but you never know. So we're going to kind of keep monitoring for any press releases, any news releases. And, we're going to look, if we've come this far, we're going to see this journey through, okay? I'm at least going to see this journey through. I want to know what's at the end of this road, okay? It's either a road that's going to turn into a proverbial, pathway paved with not gold, but perhaps, lucrative Bitcoin mining revenue, or maybe it's going to be, this is funny, at least to me, it's going to be a path that's paved with waste coal that just gets left behind because, we're not around to help get rid of that stuff anymore. So those are two fairly stark outcomes, and I maybe hopefully it won't come down to something quite that extreme, But I'll tell you, I don't think any of us will be complaining if we see a real bull run in the price of Bitcoin and we see our, meaning Stronghold Digital Mining's, mining revenue, right, really skyrocket. Our adjusted EBITDA really start gobbling up some really healthy returns, which would be phenomenal. No one's going to complain about that, right? So, okay. Hey, have a good weekend, okay? Be safe. Don't get in any trouble. Let's see each other again on Monday. And as always, let's just kind of be positive and be great as well. I need some rest. Okay, see you next time.